work, Michelle, at whatever time it was, 3:30 in the morning, and I see people that have them, the automatic sprinklers going on, and I'm thinking, you don't need those on right now. You had plenty last night and more coming today to take care of your lawns.
Yeah, for those that are just counting on Mother Nature to water the lawns, you're getting a nice little drink of water here yesterday and today. We'll talk about some of those rainfall totals outside right now in Narragansett. We do have raindrops on the camera lens this morning. It's not going to be the prettiest of beach days. A little lull in the rainfall right now along much of Rhode Island and even into Fall River, New Bedford. The heavy rain focused in and around the Boston area to Worcester, and then again around Cape Cod, and there's actually been some strong thunderstorms just to the south of Nantucket over Boston right now. Again, torrential downpours at times leading to some localized street flooding. And if we look back to the west, that lull that we're seeing in the rainfall right now will give way to more rain. We are tracking some additional showers. There have been some thunderstorms in and around New York City and Long Island right now. We'll keep an eye on those as they lift up to the north and east. This is a look at all the storm reports from yesterday. What a lightning-filled night that we had with wind gusts that were at times over 40 miles per hour, some thunderstorm wind damage reports. But the biggest issue was out over Cape Cod, where the National Weather Service is going to be out investigating today out towards the outer Cape around the Harwich area, where we had multiple trees down, wind damage reports. That was a tornado warned storm, meaning that our Doppler radar indicated rotation within that storm. And now they'll go out and investigate whether it was in fact tornado related damage. How about the rain though? Picked up 2 inches of rain in westerly, about 1.5 inches in Providence. That was from last night. More adding to that today. East Greenwich with 1.5 inches of rain. Woonsocket 1.5 inches, and into Somerset and New Bedford around 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch of rainfall. An additional inch or so of rain expected for today. Most of that falling this morning, and it's during those morning hours that we're under that flash flood watch set to expire at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Outside 63 in Smithfield, 71 in Westerly. Winds are generally out of the north-northeast. I expect the warmest spots to be today in the southwestern corner of the state. We'll have a tough time getting out of the 60s in eastern Massachusetts. This is 10 o'clock this morning, so those showers with downpours still moving through. But notice what happens by early afternoon. Most of that is moving offshore. Temperatures at 1 o'clock. The 60s to around 70 degrees. In the afternoon, a lot of clouds around, but notice not a lot of rainfall. We get a little bit of a break. Overnight tonight, we will have to watch for possibly a few additional showers to clip the coastline, the Cape and the islands from yet another low pressure center that's going to be moving through. So a cloudy start on Wednesday morning and then brightening up. Here's that next wave of low pressure. It's right south of Long Island right now, lifting to the north and east. It's creating those, again, kind of crummy beach conditions today, 70 degrees. The rain is going to be prevalent in the morning hours, but if you're going to go out in the afternoon, be careful in the waters. There is a moderate rip current risk today. Same goes out on the bay, improving visibility, but the winds will pick up with gusts to 20 knots. High tides at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Tonight, a few showers, clouds, a low near 60 degrees. After today, some great weather ahead. A little bit of a transition day Wednesday. Cloudy start, brighter in the afternoon, near 80 degrees. Thursday and beyond, looking warm and dry, comfortable sleeping weather at night. Humidity is not bad until the end of the weekend, and it starts to get a little muggy. Your updated forecast from WPRI.